Hey guys, everyone want to control your PC and type using just your voice? Windows speed recognition lets you exactly that. In this video, I will show you how to set up and use the Windows speed recognition app. Let's get started. Go to search bar, then go to settings. Now click on it. Now look for privacy option. You can see here in the second last here. Click on it. Then click on the second option speed. As you can see here, click on it. Now you can see here, this is the corner speed recognition. Turn it on. Now after clicking, now yes, now you can use your Windows speed recognition. Now you can control your PC hands-free. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care.